Once upon a time, in the beautiful land of Mi'kma'ki, there was an Apli'kmuj named An. An was 5 years old. An was very nervous on this particular day. Today would be her first day of school. In another part of the community, there was a Muin named Multi. Multi was also 5 years old. He too was going to start school today. The first bell of the day rang. An got very nervous when she heard this noise. One of her new classmates was a Muin on the other side of the room, and he started laughing. He got startled too. The teacher got up in front of the class. "Upjilida," she said to the class. All of the students were very shy. The teacher had an idea. She would put 2 students together to form a pair. She pointed 2 students out at a time. Gil, Gil. She put the Apli'kmuj and the Muin together. The Muin was very happy to meet a new person. The Apli'kmuj just looked at the floor.
"Gwe, medalline?"
asked Muin.
"Willie,"
she said in a low voice.
"Medalline, Apli'kmuj?"
he asked again.
"Willie,"
she had to say a little bit louder. She was a little less shy now.
"Gadugil?"
she then asked Muin.
"Neen Willie."
The two smiled at each other. Muin was very happy that the Apli'kmuj spoke Mi'kmaq like he did.
"Daluisin, Apli'kmuj?"
asked the Muin.
"An, gadugil, Muin, daluisin." "Multi, dawujin, Apli'kmuj?"
asked the Muin.
"5, gadugil, multi?"
asked the Apli'kmuj.
Neen."
said Multi excitingly.
"Can you be my knit-up, An?"
asked the Muin with a big smile on his face.
"Muj,"
said the Apli'kmuj happily. From that day forward, the Apli'kmuj and the Muin would become the best of friends.